everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great Sunday so far. I know I am because, well, I'm at work and I got about less than an hour to go. So what I wanted to do is just give you guys a updated video for the month of May. I know last week I posted on Instagram that I did record 2 videos, but they accidentally got deleted. So I'm just kind of giving you guys an update on everything at this point. Right now, well, May is almost over. It's currently, well, I'm really not sure what day it is, but I think it's the 23rd, but I'm really not sure. Let me just check to see what day it is actually. So yeah, I was right. It's Sunday the 23rd. So let's go ahead and get started with May. So here is what I started with. So I thought I would have made at least $2,600, but as of right now we have about $1,812. When it comes to tithes, right now I did pay $140 for rent. Rent did get half of the amount, so $375. For internet, the internet did get paid and it was $25.76, but it wasn't paid by this income. Also, when it comes to NES did get paid, which it was $77.03, but it wasn't paid by my income. Also, Straight Talk, I did go ahead and get that phone plan, but when I written everything out, I did not have it, so you'll see that in the total section. For State Farm, it's the same way. When I written all of this out, that bill wasn't paid, but it did get paid. For food, nothing was budgeted for food because it wasn't paid by this paycheck. For health, instead of paying $20 for the entire month so far, I've only paid $5. When it comes to personal, I didn't put anything in personal just yet. For out of town, I've only gave that envelope $20 so far. For laundry, I haven't put anything in laundry just yet as of when this was written down. For the Mayhem monthly challenge for May, I did put $30 to the side for it, and that's already in my savings account. For gas, I've only spent $25 so far. For hair, I did give my hair envelope $20. For SIS, which is Save, Invest, Sync, or however you want to put it, instead of doing $300, so far I've did $413. For unbudgeted, ran into an emergency. It was $430, but that's okay. That's what the emergency fund is for. And so far I've spent $1,812, which is what this amount equals up to.